All right, we're doing a room tour of the Residence Inn by Marriott in Yonkers, Westchester area. So this is a pretty spacious room. You got a desk here, and you have a kitchen. It's got dishwasher, toaster, everything you need. Coffee maker, microwave, full-size fridge. There's a couple hot plates there. A little table here to eat on. Here's the living room. You got a swiveling TV. You can turn either way. Here is the bedroom area. And you got two windows here to see out of. This thing's got drawers on both sides, I think. No, just on the one. Here's the bathroom. It's got a split bathroom. Nice. Got a sink here with all your countertop and cabinets there. Closet here. You got your iron board. This thing's got about everything you can think of that you would need. And the bathroom does look pretty darn clean. I do not like seeing dirty bathrooms. And this one is pretty clean. So, if you're in the Yonkers area, the Residence Inn here in Yonkers looks like a good selection. I think I paid about $80 a night for this on Priceline. And I'm going to be here for a week. And I got lots of room. I got a nice little work area over here, set the computer up at. I might even prepare a meal or two here while I'm here. Maybe. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I do a lot of traveling videos as well as car stuff, traveling like vacation, cruises, stuff like that. But I cover just about everything. So if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and I've always got different stuff coming out. So anyway, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.